Okay. We clean the muck out of the bottom. In there. The rubber looks fine, so we're going to reuse it. That goes in there. We took out the extra rubber we don't need. It appears to be compressible now, like that. Put the snapping in there, Smitty. Put my fingers out of the way. There you go.
I might need these pliers for that.
That's why they're sitting there. I would have put the other side on, that would have good visibility. You like that?
Should be good.
Look at that. New filter. Good deal.
Well, we didn't put this on.
That goes on top of the stock one that we didn't use.
Okay.
You gonna take that home with you?
What's that?
The old one?
What for?
In case you want to reuse it?
I don't see myself reusing it.
You don't think so? What about you? You want to reuse it?
No, I don't have an oil filter.
Well, there you go. That takes care of it. How about this? That's brand new. We didn't use it either. We'll just put these extra parts back in your box. This we will reuse. Did you put any oil in it back yet?
Nope. Do not. No. No oil. Oh, darn it.
Not yet.
Ow. There you go. Here's a funnel. You want the orange funnel for the tranny?
You need a funnel?
He's too good for that.
I don't care if it makes a mess.
I use a funnel.
Fresh oil on top of the old oil.
Yeah, look at that. Look how thin that stuff is. That's like really thin.
I know, it's like water. Geez, just 60 weight.
Give me another one.
Please. What's the magic word?
Oh, I had the wrong finger up.
I don't think the camera saw it. Your hand was behind the thingy.
You want to go find me some transmission fluid?
Go look.
Some of that Tribodyne.
I don't know how much you want to spend.
It doesn't matter.
Put the Tribodyne in it.
It'll run too good if you put that in there.
Probably just gonna be somebody else's bike anyway.
We need some, well, you either put the 250 weight Tribodyne in there, or you go get the 75 140 Maxima. It's up on the shelf.
Tribodyne is
Take
better.
a flashlight with you. Either way, we need a quart of something to use.
Quart of water.
I think we took that out. We
Quart
don't
of
need to put
beer.
that- we don't need to put that back in.
Put some whiskey in there.
It might run better on that. Look how nice and thin that's. Look at that, it's pretty thin. You can hear it hitting the bottom of the oil tank.
Yeah.
That's almost the same color as darn transmission oil.
Yep. It'll be black in one day.
Yeah, it takes longer than that for this stuff.
Like 2 days.
But there's still some oil left over, so the stuff that's in there will make it black.
Every time I change the oil on my bike, it's probably... No, it's a nice dark brown, but then...
This bike has no side tank filler on it, so you have to pull this up to look at it every time you do it.
Same.
So we're going to leave the filter out of it for now, so we can make sure it runs good.
Whew.
We want to put 3 quarts in here, so
Give it room to equalize itself.
yeah.
I couldn't find any 75 140. I settled for 85 140.
Yeah, that'll work. That's even better. It's thicker.
Oh,
We will need a funnel for that for the tranny though.
the orange one?
If one fits.
All right, well, I'm gonna grab the blue one because I like blue. You're wearing a blue shirt.
Is that how we tell what color funnel?
Yeah.
Okay, I got a job for you over here, Smitty. Are you the holder or the filler?
Sorry?
Are you gonna be the holder or the filler?
I'll hold.
I'll be the watcher. The idler.
This is 85 140, not 75.
That means it'll run better. That stuff looks pretty thin.
It's like 60 with it. It's coming out over there yet? I'll find the flashlight, sir.
Why don't you just put the whole cord in?
Because it takes a while to go across the transmission before you.
Oh, I thought you meant you had the little sight hole plug open.
It doesn't have a side hole, it has a transmission hole. If you put too much in at once, it comes out the top.
Right. I thought you were just like trying to get it
Then
to.
after you're done, you come back and you wonder why it's you only got half the oil in tranny, even though it came out the top of the plug. Because you gotta wait for it to go across.
Yep. I remember that.
Can't be in a hurry.
I just thought you had some sight hole plug open to
That's
get the
for
right level.
That's for aftermarket trannies. See, this one you fill it up until you get to the bottom of the thread. The bottom thread, not the top thread.
Doesn't take full cord.
Oh, I put the full cord in mine.
It's not leaking?
Not at all.
How'd you get it in there?
They're outside.
You must have an aftermarket cover with a screw on the side, right?
I didn't take the screw out.
But you have one on there, right?
Yeah,
That means you have an aftermarket cover.
I do.
That lid, instead of being over here, is up here. So you can probably put the cone in half in there at least before it comes out the top.
Oh.
Maybe even 2 quarters. This one you can't because it'll come right back out the hole. There you go, Smitty. That's it. Oh shit.
No.
Dumbass.
You put the drain plug in it.
Fuck around with you guys.
It's our fault.
Must be my fault.
Well, I know we just put a quart of oil on top of junk oil. I'm not gonna,
What are you gonna do?
I'm not going to separate it out. So
Definitely not.
you have to go get another quart.
Whatever it takes. Life rolls on.
We know it's flushed.
Who says it don't take a full quart?
Take a quart and a half. I just heard it. Fucking plug won't go in here. Okay, look out. Where's that filthy rag at that was over there?
Right here.
It was like new oil. Look how clean that is.
Yeah,
So you need another quart?
it's good for your hair.
We're going to need another quart now. Probably some on the side of the bench over there. Behind the tank over there if you would. Anyway, get a quart. Okay, where the... that's some gooey stuff. Yeah, where's the plug at? I can't see it. That must be it. Found it.
Why does he have foot pegs and floorboards on this thing?
We used to have a passenger rest on this.
Oh, so now he just has high mid
seat.
controls.
Had buddy seat on it.
But he can just use those as mid controls, huh?
All right, I gotta clean my hands up stuff. What do we got? Okay, finally get some oil in it. It holds oil a lot better when you put the plug in it. So you're supposed to stop at the bottom thread or a couple threads up, no biggie. So you put this back on, tighten it up. You gotta put that cover on there. And he's got that on there now, the foot peg.
Yeah, it's on there.
Good.
I'm assuming you need these things, right?
Yes.
How many?
Should be 2 with a stud and 1 without.
Here's the one without. Does it require a washer?
There's probably a washer with it too. I'm gonna cut everything together.
Should be in the cover.
Here. Is this the one or the baby?
Let's do them both.
Greaser.
Shit, fuck all these.
Oh, you broke it.
I'm thinking it takes a smaller knob over here. Than what he's got.
These are all the same on this side.
Yeah.
You got more knobs over here, right?
This kicker's supposed to work on there.
I don't see any more. He took them. Why do you need a kicker on it? It's got a button.
That's right. That's better.
You can't put the kicker on there right now. Needs to go in further. Or something. Get a hammer on there.
Let's see, hold on a minute.
Kind of hammer on there.
This was too low. Should it go up a little bit, or?
That could be.
My guess is the kicker never gets used when it's covered.
No, it doesn't, for the most part. Yeah, every time.
Should be enough. Yeah, I got enough out of it.
Okay.
Just like that inspection cover, you gotta do it just the right way or it doesn't go on.
For the kicker never getting used, it sure does have a lot of wobble in it, like it does get used.
Vibration. Feels like crap.
Where's the pin for this seat?
Over here. There's some extra washers here
All our
too.
dirty handprints all over it.
Yeah, it's alright, I'll get clean.
Right. It'll happen again.
Someone's dirty butt's gonna sit on it. I'll let my pants sit on that thing. Cool. So this is the stock chain cover. Wow, there's a lot to cut away.
Did you?
Where?
If people would take these things and cut away all this.
No, it's just a different application for your bike to this one.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna take a smaller one than what he had on here. If something's not right.
I'm assuming the coil's out a little bit further.
It's possible. I'm not gonna sweat it. I got a smaller one at home.
You want to put a little nut up now, or
I'm sorry?
you want to put a nut up
Yeah,
now?
fine. I'm not gonna go any place with it.
Okay. Grab tools back here.
We're gonna take it off the lift now.
Yeah, take it off. I gotta start it up. Test the clutch. Wipe
Oh.
the oil off the rack.
Do some burnouts.
Yeah, do some burnouts.
How to break those tires.
That's right.
Ryan, do that. You got experience.
You
Yeah.
got good experience at sliding around.
Yeah. Yesterday I was sliding around a little bit in the curves. My tires weren't quite broken all the way.
Up. Just lift that down here.
Get a little too comfortable in the turn and then you feel it go whoop.
There you go. There's a washer, Smitty. Did you lose one?
I'm sorry?
One that had a washer on there?
Yeah, one of them didn't have a washer on it.
Okay, wipe it off on your side.
Oh,
Seems to be a lot of oil like that. It won't be rusting today. Alright, fun part's gonna be getting off the rack.
my gravity help us this time.
Yeah. That's not the way we want to get it off the rack.
I mean, you can't just move that toolbox out of the way and do a big jump.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, that's how you do it.
I've seen them jump in Harleys in those army training videos.
I can do that. Military bikes do that nicely.
Not panheads.
Yeah, they don't slide around like a military bike does.
Why is that? They're just too big.
Military bikes are made to handle like that. Panheads are not.
My
There's a
panhead.
room strip inside your tire.
Oh. My panhead handles just like that. It slides.
Military bikes, you sit right in the middle of that sucker with big ass handlebars. You can slam that thing wherever you want to go with it.
Ape hangers.
With a little extra passing power, you slide the rear end around too. Real nice. I do that on the asphalt, like guys in the dirt. Handle great.
Okay.
But if you put a stuffed a panhead into one of those frames, it'd handle like that too, huh?
Nope.
Why not?
Bigger, heavier motor.
No big gun, you have to put your fit. And you have to change everything. It won't work.
Well, you just rake the backbone.
Changes everything when you do that. All right, that's it for now. I get this unloaded.